All right, welcome to this evening class on data analysis. Sometimes now we have been on Excel, and to tell you how elaborate the Excel package is, and that is why it seems as if we are taking so much time on it. For tonight, we will be looking at quantitative data. Quantitative data. One of our class, we looked at one of the quantitative data, okay? And basically they are statistical data. Let's use that. Okay, that is data gotten from either experimental research or survey research, quasi experimental, and different research methodology. Okay, in this case, you've gone to the field or you've gone to the lab, you perform your experiment, and then you have your data entered into your spreadsheets. Now, this study will definitely benefit those who are in academic settings and those who will love to also uh, take advantage or make little cash by analyzing data for those who are carrying out projects, either undergraduate, master, PhD, or for journal article whereby you have data to analyze. So I'll be showing us how to perform descriptive statistics, inferential statistics, and if time permits us, we'll look at predictive analysis of statistics as the case may be. Now, on your usual or default MS Excel, you will not find data analysis as a Toolpak, as a plugin. Okay, so if you look at mine, look at it, you're not seeing data analysis here. Okay, so for you to be able to have data analysis on your plugin, to do that, you go to file, you go to option. Now when you get to option, a dialog box will appear. Click on the add-ins, click on the add-in. Okay, you see Excel add-in, click on go, then you see a checkbox to click. Got it here. So you click on analysis Toolpak and then okay. Let's come back to our phone. Let's go back to our data. Data. We're supposed to have data analysis in our data. Still looking for the plugin. Okay, it's supposed to be in our data group. I'm not seeing it as we speak. Okay, since I'm not seeing this, I guess I'm going to close and do it again. Well, let's come back to file, option, add-in. So in this Excel add-in, click on go. Yeah, this, let me add this to it. Okay, okay. So now you can see our data analysis here. Okay, look at the data analysis. So let me come back to our data that we're working with. Come to data. So you can see our data is now invoked. So to do that, I said go back to your file, click on options, then click on add-ins, Excel add-ins, click on go, select data analysis Toolpak, and then okay. Now we have successfully invoked data analysis to pack on your worksheet or in your workbook. Now we can then perform numeric analysis. Okay. Now I would love to mention this. If you are performing a descriptive analysis on a string data, what do you mean by string data? For instance, your qualitative data that deals with letters, for instance, names, departments, and you want to know the frequency count. In that case, you will use count if to know the number of occurrence. I remember I showed you how to